Hey guys, this is Jeffrel. I'm the Art Panda. It's been a while since I have uploaded my video. Now I'm back and I have received my Paperlike shipment. I will install this on my iPad Pro, so stay tuned. I got my Paperlike shipment, so I'll just put the link down below, and it's actually free shipping, but it usually takes 3 to 4 weeks since it's out of the country. This is actually delivered from Germany. Okay, let's open this up. Alright, these are the items you'll get from your kit. So they have this instruction, and they have the dust absorber and the guide sticker, and the protector, or the Paperlike screen protector, and the instruction, and a letter: get ready to fall in love with sketching and writing on your iPad. Okay. Let's now try it. What? Really feels like paper. Alright, so my first impression on Paperlike, it really feels like you're writing or painting on a real paper. So I highly recommend for you to get your Paperlike. I'll just put the link down below, and it's actually free shipping and handling. So get yours now. This is not a paid advertisement, so I'm just sharing my personal thoughts on this because I'm also an artist. Paperlike. Bye. Please hit like and subscribe. Bye.